Ever heard whispers of mysterious bonuses in the sales world? Tales of sudden cash rewards or epic prize trips earned by top performers? Well, those whispers have a name: spiffs. What is a spiff? Spiff stands for Sales Performance Incentive Fund Formula, though some might argue it's more fun to keep it an acronym. It's a short-term motivational program designed to supercharge your sales team and push them towards specific goals. Think of it like a turbo boost for your sales engine. You give your team a clear target, and if they hit it within a set time frame, they get a bonus reward on top of their regular commission. Why use SPIFFS? Now, you might be wondering, why bother with spiffs when you already have commissions? Well, spiffs offer some unique advantages. Short-term focus, need to clear out old inventory or push a new product launch. Spiffs can create a targeted burst of sales energy. Increased motivation, that extra bonus dangling in front of them can light a fire under even the most seasoned salespeople. Friendly competition, a well-designed spiff program can create a healthy sense of competition within your team, pushing everyone to perform at their best. Improved customer focus, by incentivizing specific selling behaviors, spiffs can encourage reps to focus on upselling, cross-selling, or providing exceptional customer service. Designing a winning spiff program. Not all spiffs are created equal. Here's how to design a program that gets results. Clear goals. What do you want your team to achieve? It could be selling a certain number of units, exceeding quotas, or acquiring new clients. Measurable targets. Make sure your goals are clear, quantifiable, and achievable. Don't set the bar so high it discourages participation. Compelling rewards. Cash bonuses are always welcome, but consider offering a variety of rewards to cater to different preferences. Gift cards, gadgets, or even an all-expenses-paid weekend getaway can be powerful motivators. Time-bound challenge. Spiffs are all about creating a sense of urgency. Set a clear deadline to keep your team focused and energized. Transparency is key. Clearly communicate the program details to your team. Everyone should understand the goals, rewards, and how to track their progress. The potential pitfalls of spiffs. While spiffs can be a powerful tool, there are some potential downsides to consider. Short-term focus versus long-term strategy. Don't let spiffs overshadow your overall sales strategy. They should complement your long-term goals, not replace them. Unsustainable costs. Be mindful of the budget you allocate for spiffs. Ensure the rewards are attractive enough to motivate, but not so expensive they eat into your profits. Internal competition. A poorly designed spiff program can breed unhealthy competition within your team. Focus on rewarding teamwork and collaboration alongside individual achievement. Focus on quantity over quality. Make sure your spiff program incentivizes the right behaviors. Don't reward reps for simply closing deals if it comes at the expense of customer satisfaction. Used strategically, spiffs can be a game changer for your sales team. They can boost morale, increase productivity, and propel your business towards achieving its sales targets. But remember, spiffs are just one tool in your sales toolbox. Host, so, are you ready to unleash the spiff magic on your sales team? Leave a comment below with your thoughts on spiffs. Have you used them before? What are your best practices for designing a successful spiff program? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on hustling.